Environmental protection, not just in terms of air pollution, which China has made great stride on, but also in terms of climate change more broadly. So that's dealing with greenhouse gas emissions from fossil fuels mainly. And in that sense, China has committed to getting to zero emissions by 2060, which is a great goal. We've also seen that in terms of decisions to change the energy mix. We've seen this in terms of taking on quite an ambitious target. The most recent target was basically to move away from coal-fired power stations in the next period. That is, I think, a great move. It's a good commitment that China made to stop funding overseas coal-fired power stations. And so it's a good move. Solutions for climate change are already available, really, and that's going to 100% clean energy. That's with renewables and with sun, water, wind, and batteries as well. China is really well placed to switch and to turn over its energy to the clean side.
The expert also expected to see more cooperation at the UN Climate Change Conference, scheduled for November in Egypt.
Climate change is a major challenge, but at the same time it also provides a good opportunity for cooperation. It's clear that there's more cooperation that's possible, and would love to see that happen. Hopefully at the COP in Egypt this year.